yes turagushimiye wowe nimba ubwa mbere wagera kuri YouTube
Gabby
channel namahirwe ugize nangwa se
Gabby, are you ready for school?
agaciro ugiye guhura nabyo kugira ngo
Gabrielle, you still mad at me about what happened yesterday? It was an accident.
Gabby, dore abantu batanu
Gabrielle.
Chase, get your hands out of my face. I told you about that.
Okay, but I called you like 5 times.
Okay, for what?
Because mom and dad told me to come in here. Are you still mad at me about yesterday?
Chase, I'm over yesterday. That was yesterday. I am too grown to be focused on
Listen,
the
I'm
past.
just making sure it was an accident. I didn't mean to.
Okay, well, I'm not letting anyone change nothing to you.
Okay, cool. Mom and dad told me to come here to see if you're ready for school.
Chase, I'm ready for school.
Well, I didn't know.
Okay, well, now you know.
I feel like you're still mad at me about yesterday. Hey, what are you writing?
I'm writing some words on a sheet of paper.
Yeah, I see that, but that looks like homework from my
Chase, that's not homework.
I need that because
Chase, get in here, do it. Stop, Chase, that's not homework.
ugaturiza muri gereza ukamureba uti boss ese kuko ni wowe ukora ibintu bimeze
you writing about a
boy
boy?
boss wawe rero niwe muntu wa mbere ugomba kwitondera mu buzima bwawe kuko boss wawe ni inshuti yawe murakundana cyane
Okay, you don't have to.
Can you stop reaching for this? I'll give it back when I'm ready.
It's mine.
Okay, but why are you writing about boys? That'd be weird if you got a boyfriend. I hope that never happens.
So weird.
Because you're my sister, like a boy trying to like you is weird to me.
Okay, so maybe I shouldn't be your sister. I'm supposed to be single all my life because I'm related to you.
umukoresha wawe rero
Yeah, my books.
Okay, can you give me my stuff back, please?
And why don't you just talk to boys instead of writing about them? How are you gonna get a boyfriend if you don't talk to them?
That is my personal journal.
It ain't personal if you just let me take it, Daddy.
I did not let you take it. Give it.
Listen,
the
the day you get a boyfriend is the day I will respectfully get on my knees
Okay,
and praise
and now to be
you.
soon. Give it here.
But until then,
undi muntu wa kabiri
see your
ugomba
breakfast.
kwitondera tuko turihuta nta muntu turarenza iminota 10 undi muntu wa kabiri ugomba kwitondera ni umuntu bita umunenzi nimvuga umunenzi mbese sinzi nimba ushobora kubisobanukirwa neza umunenzi ni wa muntu uhora unenga
Why is everybody looking at me like that? Dad, tell me what's going on. You want a boyfriend? Chase! You did it. You big mouth. Why would you run your mouth like that?
Come on, Gabby. You actually didn't expect me to be quiet, did you?
I did expect you to because that was something. First of all, you read my journal, something that was so private to me.
Well, how was I supposed to know that was your journal? I just saw it.
I told you afterwards. I said that's my journal. Big
After I already took it. You didn't tell me to keep a secret. Next time you should just tell me you want me to be.
No, you shouldn't read things that doesn't have your name on it or anything to do with you.
I ain't worried about you, bro. Do you think you're, ready for a relationship?
Dad, what is that supposed to mean?
Do you think you can handle a relationship and school? I got you, Dad. Don't worry. Basically, what Dad is trying to say, Gabrielle, and what I'm trying to say, and me and him both agree, we don't think you are capable of having a boyfriend.
Chase! No way you guys are on the same page as him. Look at him. He's over there eating cereal with no milk in his hands.
So, I can do that.
And you think that I'm the one who's not capable of a relationship?
So it's a problem to drink cereal without milk?
Eat cereal. You're not drinking.
You know what I meant.
I know what you meant, but I know what you said too.
Leave me alone, man.
And for everybody's information, I actually am talking to somebody who is my potential boyfriend. Really?
Ooh,
Christian.
The basketball player?
Yep. Number 3.
Why would he like you?
Here we go. You're not minding your business. Now, if everybody would excuse me, I do not have time for any more questions since everybody wants to invade my privacy. Now, if you would excuse me, I'll be taking my breakfast to go.
No way Christian is talking to her. That's interesting.
How could I not? Stupid. Gabby, you're going around telling people that Christian is your boyfriend. He's not even your friend. You never talked to him before. You're scared to talk to him. Now you want to say, oh, he's my potential boyfriend. Stupid.
umuntu ugira ishari n'umuntu mubi cyane kukunda kumubwije ukuri ntabwo yatinya kuvuga agiye kukurangiza nimba kukurangiza nimba akugira ishari ushobora gutera imbere we kandi mukorana we byari yangiye nta kindi kintu yakora usibye kukurangiza
Are you okay?
I am now.
Hey, you go to JFK High, right?
Yeah, you see me before.
Don't you tutor my friend Michael? Yeah, he's on the basketball team, like 6 foot.
No. Is he like number 3? I know him.
So you know me?
umunsi nawe azakuva
Who might you be exactly?
I'm Christian. I'm number 3.
Christian?
musabwa ni kimwe rero
Doesn't really ring a bell to me.
Well, yeah, I'm number 3. Michael is actually
ngo
number
byanga
7.
byakunda nawe hari akantu kakurimo nangwa se hari ishari akugirira wowe utari
You okay?
Do you want to be my boyfriend?
Come again?
Do you want to be my boyfriend?
Where did that even come from?
I'm just asking. I mean, you know, me and you, we could be a thing. Like, you want to be my boyfriend? My
You're funny.
funny?
Yeah,
You think I'm funny?
ntabwo wabana n'umunyamashari utari umunyamashari
You good?
Yeah, so
Listen, let's go to my car real quick. Sit down and let's just check that you're okay, all right?
wow, this is nice.
mubana gutyo
So,
kugira
how
kuza
about-
kubera umuzigo
How about what?
Well, I asked you, do you want to be my boyfriend?
And that's why I told you to come in the car. I wanted to make sure you're okay. I didn't know if the heat was getting to you.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine.
shano uzabona
Fine.
izakubwira ubwo rero abo bantu umaze kukubwira
Bro, I don't even know your name.
It's okay, you don't have to know my name. I know yours, I know your first name, I know your last name, I know your weight, and I know your height.
nta kibazo ngo nimwahura
You're being funny, right?
I think I know your shoe size too, but no, all jokes
kunenga
aside.
ibyo bintu bizaguturika
Stalking me?
hari
I'm
ikintu
not
tuje
stalking you. Why would I stalk you when all the information is on the school website for every athlete?
Oh, right.
kera babesheraga abagore ngo
So-
bagira amatiku ariko muri iyi minsi
so
ntabwo bagira amatiku
Let me tell you,
Umunyamatiku.
it's not really a real relationship, okay?
Umunyamatiku.
I guess that's probably what you thought when I asked you, do you want to be my boyfriend? But I'm not asking you, do you want to be my boyfriend? Well, I kind of am, but I'm kind of asking you, do you want to be my fake
nangwa se atatu
boyfriend?
ariko
And
aratahana
what's in it for me?
amagambo
A girlfriend, me.
Yeah, but why me?
rero sinzi
I
niba
don't get it.
ushobora kubana
Sound like my
n'umunyamatiku ukagira ngo
family.
we ntabwo
Basically,
amatiku
you're the first name that came to my mind.
umunsi uzamenya umuntu
Weird,
ukabona
but,
n'umunyamatiku uwo muntu byanga byakunda urumva se mundi nimufashe umunyamatiku
You have a
akamubwira ibyawe
girlfriend.
byose ntabwo
Oh,
ashaka
my alarm is going off for practice, and
Uzasanga
I have to go ahead and get
umuntu
more to
ahora mu
practice, or
bugambo
else coach is going to make us run suicide. So, how about this? I'll just come to your house later after school, and we could talk about this crazy plan. I'm not saying yes, I'm not saying no, but let me at least hear what this is about
kumurekura
first.
cyari kare kuko nutamurekura akaguteza ibibazo
Hello?
akaguteza ntabwo uzigera
Okay,
biki
that's fine with me. You can come to my house.
umunyamatiku rero amatiku mbese ni
It's not like that.
No, I get it. You can come to my house.
All right, cool, but you don't have to get out. I'll just give you a ride to school since, you know, I almost hit you just now.
mufate imishinga cyangwa se umugore mu ruganda kugira ngo mufate imishinga ahubwo we akagenda ngo kana kameze gutya kana kameze gutya kana kameze gutya icyo usabwa nshuti yanjye rero ntabwo nkubwire ibiganiro kugira ngo ugende wishime ntabwo se
Man, Michael, bro, he never here, bro. What is man at, bro? Come hoop, bro.
ubwo ngenda kugira inama kugira ngo aba bantu nima mu bantu ko bigeze ku muntu wa kane abantu nima mu bantu ese wowe mu
All
bantu
over this little girlfriend, bro. He wonder why he don't got no scholarship.
ubona
bro.
amaherezo yawe arayaye numara kumenya abantu maze kubyira ko maze kubyira abantu bageze muri bane
Bro,
imico
if I wanted a girl, I could get one, bro. It ain't no point, bro. That's the whole thing.
kumenya ngo ese aba bantu mu bantu mbana nabo ninde uri mwabana bantu
So basically, you got a
muri aba bantu
girlfriend
tubana
just to
ninde
use
muri
us.
aba
Sounds
bantu
pretty weird.
nimba twavuze ngo
pretty
umukoresha wa
weird,
mbere ugomba kumwitondera ntabwo ari inshuti nziza tukagenda kuvuga ngo
Bro, if I wanted a girl, I could have a girl. I got girls at my fingertips. It's only one, but.
umunyeshuri no kumwitondera ntabwo ari inshuti nziza
Alright.
aba bantu mu bantu
What would I get if I win? That's the real question. Because I
ese
could
niba
win.
umuntu yaragiriye mugenzi w'ishari kuko hari n'abagira ishari bakaba banakwica wowe akaba ari ingenzi ari
So now
mugenzi
you
wawe
gonna borrow my
ubana gute
equipment.
ku buryo atagira ute
Okay.
atakwangiriza
Well, how can I make this in my favor? I guess I'll just go ahead and use you. Little do you know, I got a little
iryo
girlfriend.
shari ryatumye yahura n'ikibazo n'undi mugenzi we wowe
Say
iryo
no
shari
more,
wowe
bro. Say no more.
ubona aryitwaramo ku buryo nawe uri kumva ko uri umwere nta kintu
I can't believe it.
agomba
Really
gutwara
does have a potential boyfriend.
icyo usabwa rero nibyo nakubwiye
right.
nimba ari
There's
ubwami
no
wavuga
way she's in a relationship
gusa ukanda
before me.
subscribe kugira ngo wumve ibiganiro byacu inama zacu tugenda dutanga
Okay, so when are we gonna start our relationship? Like, call you my boyfriend,
hari
call
igihe wowe
me your
ugufasha
girlfriend.
warabuze aho
Hold your
wahurira
horses, please.
n'inyigisho nk'izi zishobora kugenda
I already told you before I went to
Tugenda dushyiraho
practice.
iby'Imana
I haven't said
dusenga
yes.
tugute.
I haven't
Ariko
said
niba
no
mu
either
buzima
before
ni
you
ngombwa.
get mad.
Kuko niba ubana
But I need to hear more about it before I actually
n'ubundi
agree on
baravuze
it.
ngo
Because I don't really know
You know,
about
I
it.
thought you'd actually come around, so I did more.
ibyo bintu impamvu
Drew you up
babivuze
a
ngo
little chart.
byavuzwe
This is the boyfriend and
ariko
girlfriend rule.
ni ibintu barebaga
Got it?
bakareba bakageneratinga nangwa se
Duh,
bakaganira
this is my high
ibi
school
bintu
reputation. So we are going to hold hands in public. We will also kiss when
tugiye
people
ku mwanya
are.
wa nyuma
What?
rero
Oh, just
tugiye ku
hold
mwanya wa
on.
nyuma nimvuga ku mwanya wa nyuma
No, I meant the cheek.
Abasoma
Sorry,
gatanu ugomba
wrong
kwirinda.
turn.
Umuntu wa gatanu
The
ugomba
cheek, just the
kwirinda
cheek,
umuntu
right or left, okay?
kwigenera.
And you will bring me food every
Yewe,
morning.
yewe,
Prefer-
nawe
Whoa,
ubundi
whoa, whoa,
ni ukuvuga
whoa.
twese amahirwe yacu
Okay,
ntabwo ari
sorry.
amwe
I was just talking to my friend Michael before I got here, and he uses his girlfriend. She gets him everything he wants. He doesn't get her anything.
Okay.
Are you not seeing the problem here? You just told me all this stuff. Yes, actually I do want some. I thought you never asked. You should have put that on the paper since you were taking it so seriously.
I'll put it in my mind. What would you like?
I want you to come to all my games.
Can I get a jersey with your number
It's
in it?
not that serious. Alright, fine, cool. I guess that'll make it look more real.
Yeah.
I want you to bring me food to my game because I'm gonna get hungry before
Okay,
I
what do you
go.
like to eat?
Anything. I eat anything.
Okay, Chick-fil-A is
Oh, tell everybody we started dating this week, literally. Yes.
But how long have we been talking? We can't even start dating if we just start talking like last week or something.
I thought you had this all together.
How about we tell people we've been talking for 3 months?
What?
turabizi abantu bagira amashari niyo umuntu yigereranya nawe kandi mutanganya urugero mutanganya kuko buri wese nubwo dushobora kuba duhwanye dufite umushahara umwe agutunganya kuhujira agutunganya revo yo kurya amafaranga duhembwa rero ufata umwanya ukavuga ngo ngiye kwigereranya
So what does that mean?
Meaning we're just doing this just because
uwo mwanya
I know.
w'inshuti yawe iri kwigereranya shiraho akadomo
cyangwa se mu magambo makeya musezerere cyangwa se mu magambo makeya cunga cyane kuko ejo namara gusandara ibintu byo bikaje hanze ishano uzabona ntabwo nabona ukuntu nari kubarira impamvu tukubwira ibyo bintu rero nawe imagine jewe nshobora kuba nkora YouTube gutya nari nabandi bazikora.
What are y'all doing? Oh, nothing, you know, just looking for your brother. There he goes.
Well, I guess I'll just call you when I get home.
You will? Oh. Right.
Yanga byakunda tuzi ko hari amashari hari ishari ryiza n'ishari ribi ariko nabivuga ntashidikanya ko ishari rizaza ntabwo ari ishari ryiza kuko nimba ishari rije ishari cyo rikora murakizi ruvuye ko kwigereranya rero ni nyina wa byose twavuze boss ariko umuntu uzabura kwigereranya ukungana na boss byanga byakunda uzamwiba kugira ngo ugere ku rwego yagezeho. Icyo tugusabye ni kimwe rero ibyo bintu byose bigabanye ugane Yesu nk'umwami n'umukiza umwakire tuzabe nk'abagabo bimbwa bavugwa muri Bibiliya ahubwo wowe iba umuntu wumvisha ibiganiro byagufashije. Icyo tugusabye rero kandi subscribe, like, share and comment kugira ngo dukomeze twibanire mu nama tugenda dutanga za buri gihe numara kubikanda ubisangize n'abantu bawe niwo musanzu wawe uraba uduhaye. Turagushimiye rero wowe wahoze uduteza amatwi ndetse niwibuke gukanda kuri subscribe.